So today mayroon tayo kakabitan ng ATR ng box bracket tsaka half sports crash guard. Yan yung bagong crash guard ng QJ ATR.
Wow!
So yung request nung customer natin is powder coated na hammer tone finish. Crash guard ng QJ. So, kaya nilalagay na natin.
Wow!
Napakadali niya ilagay, literal lang na plug and play. Kabila. Yan. ATR. So, pag naglalagay kayo, kamayin nyo muna yung screw niya para hindi siya ma-loose thread.
That's what she said. She said.
Napakadali niya ilagay.
She said.
Pagkatapos may ilagay yung crash guard, pwede nyo nang ilagay yung mating niya.
Wow!
So yun nga, nakalagay na yung crash guard niya. Yan yung half sports crash guard